Well, they probably. I'm more a Nike man myself.
Oh, okay, blimey, okay, looking for a free pair. Then.
I don't know about that.
Maybe they'll send you some.
They haven't so far.
No. Anything else?
Out the characters and the relationships, and it's not all new, because I feel like when you're in your 30s you don't always get these like big new lives. You sort of, some people orbit you, like her ex and stuff. You've always got someone who doesn't go, and but yeah, so the therapy sessions, you've got this new girl, and it's sort of like, I think you see a bit about how her family dynamic is and maybe why she's sort of in the situation she's in and stuff, and sort of just showing exploring that. She gets some wins, but yeah, it's a good it's some spicy stuff, and it's fun, and yeah, I'm really excited for them to see it. We all worked really, really hard on it, so you know, you just want it. I mean, I literally got the edit on Friday, so it feels like these are coming hot from the oven.
I will send it as she asked, but to the small ads pages, not the news desk, where no one will see it. And if I know the echo, it'll get lost between, I don't know, guinea pig cages and old bangers.
You think?
Trust me.